So now I have a prosthesis that I'm ready to deliver to this patient right here. And you'll notice that I reoriented my abutment so that I'm coming facial and just through the incisal edge or just behind the incisal edge. And that's by design for this training purposes, all right? So don't be too distracted by that. But we're going to deliver this provisional restoration now onto these abutments that have been oriented and ready to go. So we'll sit that down. And take our prosthetic screw. I'm just going to start here and just finger tighten that one. Then I'm going to come to this front one on the patient's right. Just hand tighten that. Now I'm going to come to this anterior one on the patient's left. And then I'll finish up with the posterior on the patient's right. All right, so now we're going to use our torque wrench again. And now we're just going to torque to 15 Newton centimeters here. So here I've reached 15. Come back here. And we've reached 15. Reached 15. And lastly, reached 15 there. So there you've now delivered the prosthesis to the abutments, and the last thing we need to do is to plug things up.